wipe it off. Let's listen to his heart. Catch the hearts. We have to check his blood pressure. Pump it. Yep, he's in love. What's going on in his stomach? Turn it on. Catch those butterflies. Our job is done. We know the diagnosis. Let's help him. Dress him up. Daisy will love it. Classy. Fits perfect. I love you. Oh, love is in the air. Thank you for your help. Oh, Carla spotted some angry fishes. Catch them. Oh. Oh no, he ate them. Put a compress on his head.
No.
Let's prepare for an ultrasound.
No.
Check his tummy. What is this? Let's examine him with this device. Turn it on. Oh no, I see some trash in there. First, remove the fish bones. Now let's use a magnet. What's that green stuff? Oh no! Let's get rid of these germs. Suction, please. Now his tummy looks just fine. Turn it off, please. Carlo feels great again. You are the best doctor. Judy's doghouse is too small. She's shivering. Poor Judy got sick. Put the scarf on her neck. Let's check her temperature. Oops! Wipe off the snot. Take it out. Oh no! She has a fever. Let's check her nose. Oh no! Let's get rid of these germs. Use the suction. Let's take a closer look. Her Her throat is red. Spray some medicine. Miss Judy would like some tea. Pour it, please. Now give it to her. It helped. You can take the scarf off. Can you dress up Miss Judy? Wow! Good job! Now she's not afraid of the rain. Billy the donkey ate too much candy. Now he has a tooth. Poor Billy. Let's help him. First, turn on the lamp. Let's take a closer look. Oh no! Let's get rid of these germs. Good job! Now it's time to remove the bad tooth. And put in a new one. Great! Now take care of the other teeth. Let's fill in the holes. Polish the teeth for a perfect look. Help Billy to get rid of the candies. Click it. Thank you so much! Billy feels great and will eat more vegetables. Mrs. Pigsley just got back from vacation. Chase the mosquitoes away from her. Good! Now take off her hat. And sunglasses. Ooh, Mrs. Pigsley would love to take a mud bath. She loves it. Great! Now wash it off. Let's heal the mosquito bites. Open the box. A Apply it, please. Much better. Put the robe on. Good job! Apply a cooling face mask to treat the sunburn. And cucumbers for some freshness. Flip the cloth. And wait for a few minutes. Now, remove the slices. Clean her face, please. Almost done. Good job! Mrs. Pigsley's skin looks great. She will use sunscreen next time. Gary tried to save his chips and got beaten by a fox. First, remove these plants. Great! Now brush his feather. Put some ice on his... Let's cure the wounds. Apply the bandage. Now give it some time to heal. Remove it. Gary feels much better. Add the missing feather. Good job! He looks perfect again.